And whenever you're tired of looking down, just look up. Look at this. Boy, everything I've seen on YouTube, this is not what I expected. This is, yeah, this is not what I expected at all. I mean, I expected the rocks, but wow! Definitely put this one on your bucket list. Yeah. Get a load of this. How could you not be impressed? Wow! Thought I saw a black bear. I think it was just a bird stump. False alarm! Look at that. Boy, it's a good thing they put this little guardrail up. You would drive right off of the road. Look at the natural dam. Oh, this is a one-way here. I didn't know that. They make you go this way. So you gotta go full loop, like it or not. Oh man. One-way road in Yosemite National Park. You know what that means.
On Labor Day 2022, I was on a one-way road in Yosemite National Park by myself. And then I turned the corner that I'll never forget.
Oh, wow.
On this site, President Theodore Roosevelt sat beside a campfire with John Muir on May 17, 1903, and talked forest good. Muir urged the president to work for the preservation of priceless remnants of America's wilderness. At this spot, one of our country's foremost conservationists received their inspiration. And it's easy to see why.
Wow. Unbelievable.
El Capitan's iconic granite walls dominate the west end of Yosemite Valley. At more than 3,000 feet above the valley floor, it is 2.5 times as tall as the Empire State Building, or more than 3 times as high as the tip of the Eiffel Tower. Coming around the corner and having El Capitan suddenly fill your field of view often moves people to tears. It is a beacon for visitors, a muse for photographers, and one of the world's ultimate challenges for climbers.
Yosemite National Park, ADV, California.
Tutokanula the Awahneechee Name, for the rock we now know, El Capitan. This is an Awahneechee legend that has been recorded and tells how El Capitan was created in the time of the animal people. As 2 bear cubs slept on the large flat rock near the river, the rock grew until the bears scratched their faces against the moon. The mother bear called on all the animals to rescue her babies, but none succeeded until the lowly inchworm, Tutokanula, crawled slowly to the top and led the cubs down.
I don't think my neck goes back that far. Look at that, it's almost inverted.
The Awahneechee tribe was known to the American Missionaries as the most dangerous tribe in the Yosemite Valley. They referred to them with a mistranslation of the Miwok word, Yosemite. They are killers.
that was Yosemite right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and notification bell and all that stuff. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Have you been to Yosemite before? How was it? Was it this smoky when you came to Yosemite? Was the traffic this bad? Tell me all about it. Oh, what? Look at this tunnel. How can you not? I like the way the BMW sounds.